back seat here that got in surgery. This is the bottom of a seat from a Lincoln Town car, something mid 2000s, pulled out of the junkyard. The width across the front is good. The width across the back, it's too wide, so you can't install it. So what I'm doing is pulling the hog rings out of the back of this thing, exposing the foam, and cutting it down with a bread knife. Now, bread knife's probably the best thing you could use for this, unless you have one of those electric turkey carvers, but I don't. And I do have a bread knife though, so what I'm doing is just cutting the foam with it, trying to shape it to where it'll fit in the car and not mess up the upholstery. And mind the metal bits in here that you have to hog ring to, that you might have to cut later with the grinder, like on the other side, clearance. Delicious. Pound cake, friends.
Pound cake.
It's got one heck of a shelf life. There we go. And then you've got these metal supports in here that will nip off real quick with the grinder. And then we'll set to hog ringing this thing back into some kind of shape. Yay! Nipped.
Alright. Fixing to have us some custom made seats.
Custom seats. That's right. Corinthian leather.
Yes.
That Lincoln quality.
That's what you want.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Do that and see where you might need to sink that thing.
I mean, it's going to bunch a little bit, but I'm not worried about it because you won't see it. I just need it to clear. I don't have to pop any stitches. Oh, it's so close. There's a rod in here. I'll sink it right here.
There's the Sharpie. Shot of pay.
Let's see if this works. of course, be easier with an actual torch, not a meth gas bottle. Nah, it's burning the foam. It would work if I could get all of it hot at the same time, you know?
And it looks like it doesn't need to be as hot as
Yeah, I noticed. Not as hot
that
as
short end you've been doing, heating.
Yeah.
Because it actually is burning through, so. Yeah, try that. I bet that's. Didn't go in at all, did it? Yeah.
I think that'll do.
Yeah.
I think it'll be enough. Kind of cool.
That is cool.
That'll give me something to ring to. Oh yeah, there you go.
All right. Alright, a little nipping and tucking and pushing, and we have back seat. Not too shabby.
Not shabby at all. Looks good.
It does look good. Coming along. Alright, so then we're going to start working on the side panels, door panels, rear panels, and keep it going.